They say you can't, from a radical materialistic scientific worldview, they say that you can't quantify these phenomena, right? So metaphysics get into this. What mind and matter does. And what is extrasensory perception? Extrasensory perception basically means that all your sensories, your auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory.
In terms of their polarity and nuances. Right, so a contrast and a polarity and a duality is not the same. Duality.
So you're traveling all over the world lecturing on, these...
Not lecturing, but mostly writing and working for companies.
Writing, okay. So you just get gigs.
So what is the relationship between the physics of sound and mental disorder? Sound travel at 700 miles an hour, but we can only hear between 20 to 20,000 hertz, right? Because we can only hear between 20 to 20,000 hertz, it means that our perception, the diatonic scales, it is based on a number system. So the first, something called the juxtaposition of incongruity.